You've been waiting to start an online course, coaching business, membership site, or digital product business? This might be the best time all year to get started with Kajabi. Kajabi just launched a brand new promotion giving users 50% off their plans for up to 12 months during their May 2026 promo campaign. And honestly, this is one of the biggest Kajabi discounts we've seen recently. So in this video, I'll break down what the deal includes, who should take advantage of it, and whether Kajabi is actually worth the price in 2026. Let's get into it. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that lets you build and sell online courses, coaching programs, memberships, newsletters, communities, and even full websites. Instead of paying separately for email marketing, funnel builders, website hosting, landing pages, and course software, Kajabi combines everything into one platform. That's why so many creators, coaches, and online entrepreneurs use it. Now, here's where this new promotion gets interesting. According to the latest promo details, Kajabi is offering 50% off all plans for up to 12 months through this May 2026 campaign. That means the basic plan drops significantly, the growth plan becomes much more affordable, and even the pro plan gets a huge discount. If you've avoided Kajabi because of the pricing, this is probably the cheapest way to get started right now. And remember, Kajabi is not just a course platform. You also get email automation, sales funnels, landing pages, checkout pages, communities, analytics, and marketing tools built in. So instead of paying for 5 different tools, you can run everything from one dashboard. Now, who is this best for? I'd recommend this deal if you want to launch an online course, start coaching, sell digital products, build a paid community, or grow a personal brand business. But if you're serious about using Kajabi long-term, this promo could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over the next year. The promotion is only available for a limited time, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you want more videos on Kajabi tutorials, pricing, and online business tools, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.